Hello, friends. Welcome back to Slow Learning English. How are you today? I hope you are happy. Today, I have a short story for you. It is a story about a small seed. This story helps you learn English, and it helps you feel strong. Are you ready? Let's start. Do you have a big dream? Do you want to change your life? Maybe you want to learn English. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want a new job, but you are afraid. You think, I am not ready. It is too hard. This is a story for you. This is the story of a boy named Leo. Leo is just like you. He has a dream, but he is afraid. Listen to his story. Leo lives in a small village. The village is very beautiful. It has green grass and small houses. Everyone knows everyone. Leo is a baker. Every morning he wakes up at 4 o'clock a.m. It is very dark. It is very quiet. Leo goes to his bakery. He makes bread. He makes cakes. The bread is warm. It smells very good. People in the village love Leo's bread. Leo is a good man. He is kind. He works hard. But Leo is not happy. He feels sad inside. Why? Because Leo has a secret. He has a map. It is an old map. He keeps the map under his bed. Every night before he sleeps, he looks at the map. The map shows a big city. It shows a big blue ocean. Leo loves the ocean. But Leo never sees the ocean. He stays in his village. He is safe in the village, but he is not free. One day, an old man comes to the bakery. The old man has a long white beard. He has a big bag. He looks tired. Leo asks, "Hello, do you want some bread?" The old man smiles. "Yes, please, I'm very hungry." Leo gives him warm bread. The old man eats. He looks happy. The old man says, "Thank you, your bread is special." Leo asks, "Where are you from?" The old man points to the west. "I am from the city by the ocean." Leo's eyes open wide. "The ocean? Is it beautiful?" The old man laughs. "It is wonderful. It is big and blue. The water moves and sings. You must go there." Leo looks down. "No, I cannot go. I am a baker. I live here. And I am afraid. The road is long. I do not speak the language in the city. I am alone." The old man looks at Leo. He says something important. He says, "The road is long, yes, but you have strong legs. You are afraid, yes, but you have a brave heart. You do not speak the language, yes, but you have ears to listen and a mouth to learn. Do not wait. Waiting is easy. Going is hard, but going is how you grow." The old man leaves. Leo is alone in the bakery. He looks at his hands. They are white with flour. He looks at the door. He thinks about the ocean. That night, Leo does not sleep. He looks at his map. He thinks today is the day. Leo packs a bag. He takes 3 shirts. He takes 2 pairs of pants. He takes a bottle of water. He takes 5 loaves of bread. He puts on his boots. He writes a note for his family. It says, "I go to see the ocean. I love you." He opens the door. The sun is coming up. The sky is pink and orange. Leo takes 1 step, then another step. He leaves the village. The first day was good. The sun is warm. The birds sing. Leo walks and walks. He eats his bread. He feels happy. He thinks, "This is easy. I can do this." But on the second day, things changed. Leo comes to a forest. The forest is dark. The trees are very tall. They block the sun. Leo cannot see the path well. It is cold. Leo hears sounds. Crack. Snap. "What is that?" Leo asks. He is scared. He wants to run back to his village. He wants his warm bed. He remembers the old man. "You have a brave heart." Leo takes a deep breath. He walks into the dark forest. He walks for hours. His legs hurt. He is thirsty. Suddenly, he sees a dog. The dog is sitting on the path. The dog has a hurt leg. It is crying softly. Leo stops. He is afraid of the dog. But the dog looks sad. Leo kneels down. "Hello, friend," Leo says. "Are you okay?" The dog looks at Leo. Leo gives the dog some water. He gives the dog some bread. The dog eats. It wags its tail. Leo smiles. "Come with me," he says. The dog stands up. It walks with Leo. Now Leo is not alone. He has a friend. They walk out of the forest together. The next week is very hard. They come to a mountain. The mountain is high. It goes up into the clouds. There are many rocks. It is windy. Leo looks up. "I cannot climb this," he says. "It is too high." He sits on a rock. He puts his head in his hands. He cries. "I am just a baker," he thinks. "I am not a traveler." The dog comes to him. The dog licks his hand. The dog looks up the mountain. Then the dog looks at Leo. It barks. Woof. It means let's go. Leo stands up. "Okay," he says, 1 step at a time. They climb step by step. The wind blows. It is cold. Leo slips. He falls on his knees. It hurts. But he stands up again. He does not look at the top of the mountain. He only looks at his feet. 1 step, 1 more step, 1 more step. Hours pass, maybe days will pass. Leo is very tired. He wants to sleep. But then the wind stops. The air is quiet. Leo looks up. He is at the top. He looks down. He sees the world. He sees green fields. He sees small towns. And far away, he sees something blue. A long blue line. "The ocean!" Leo shouts. "I see it. He is tired, but he is happy. He feels strong. He is not just a baker now. He is a climber. Leo and the dog go down the mountain. They walk to the big city. The city is loud. There are many cars. Beep, beep. There are many people. They walk fast. They talk fast. Leo listens to them. He does not understand. They speak English. Leo speaks only his village language. He goes to a shop. He wants to buy food. He says, bread, please. The shopkeeper looks at him. What? Leo points to the bread. Bread. The shopkeeper speaks fast. That is $2. Do you have money? Leo does not understand $2. He is confused. People in the line wait. They are angry. Hurry up, someone says. Leo feels small. He feels stupid. His face is red. He leaves the shop. He has no food. He sits on a bench in the park. The dog sits with him. This is too hard, Leo thinks. I can walk, I can climb, but I cannot speak. I cannot understand. He wants to go home. In his village, everyone understands him, but then he sees a child. The child is playing with a ball. The ball rolls to Leo. Leo picks up the ball. He gives it to the child. Thank you, the child says. Leo smiles. Thank you, Leo repeats. The child laughs. My name is Sam. What is your name? Leo listens carefully. Name, Sam. Leo points to himself. Leo. Hello, Leo, Sam says. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Leo tries to say. It sounds funny, but Sam does not laugh. Sam smiles. Leo understands something. He does not need to speak perfectly. He only needs to try. Every day Leo goes to the park. He listens to people. He has a small notebook. He writes words down. Hello, water, food, please, thank you. He goes to the market. He points. He listens. He repeats. Apple, the woman says. Apple, Leo says. No, apple, she says. Apple, Leo says. Good, she says. It takes time. It takes 1 month, then 2 months, then 6 months. Leo gets a job. He works in a bakery in the city. The oven is different. The flour is different, but the bread is good. He talks to the customers. Good morning, Leo says. How are you? I am fine, Leo, they say. 1 cake, please. Here you are, Leo says. He makes mistakes. Sometimes he says the wrong word. Sometimes people do not understand. But Leo does not cry. He laughs. He tries again. One evening, Leo finishes work. He walks with his dog. They walk to the beach. The sun is going down. The sky is gold and purple. The water is blue. The waves crash on the sand. Shh, shh. Leo takes off his boots. He walks on the sand. The water touches his feet. It is cold. It feels good. He breathes the air. It smells like salt. Leo looks at the horizon. He remembers his village. He remembers his old room. He remembers the map under his bed. He is far from home, but he is at home. He thinks about the forest. He thinks about the mountain. He thinks about the difficult words. He was afraid. He was weak, but he did not stop. A woman walks by. She has a camera. Excuse me, she says, can I take a picture? The sunset is beautiful. Leo smiles. He understands her perfectly. Yes, Leo says in clear English, it is very beautiful. I love this place. Do you live here? She asks. Yes, Leo says, I live here. I am a baker and I am a learner. The woman takes the picture. Thank you, she says. You are welcome, Leo says. Leo sits on the sand. The dog sleeps next to him. Leo realizes a big lesson. The journey is not about the ocean. The journey is about the person you become. In the village, Leo was a baker who was afraid. Now Leo is a baker who is brave. He learned English, but he also learned to be strong. So my friend, think about your life. What is your mountain? Is it English? Is it a new job? Do not be afraid of the forest. Do not be afraid of the mistakes. Mistakes are like the steps on the mountain. You need them to go up. If you are tired, rest, but do not stop. Find a friend like the dog, or be your own friend. Be kind to yourself. Small steps are important. 1 word a day, 1 sentence a day, 1 video a day. Leo is happy now, not because life is easy, but because he knows he can do hard things. And you are listening to this story. You are learning English right now. You are doing it. You are like Leo. Keep walking, keep climbing, keep speaking. Your ocean is waiting for you. Thank you for listening to Leo's story. You are doing a great job. Believe in yourself. Goodbye for now.